Whoa. Lag punch. I don't usually get like this low frames. I haven't gone like 20 frames in a really long time. It's probably because I'm streaming. I usually get like around 40, even with Volanta on, which loves to eat the frames. Just craves it. Dinner. Just gotta check what the QNH was. 1016. So that's 3,000. I just set it to 2,000. The hell? Just turn off the integrity, that's fine. Vertical deviation. No, send, please. Just ignore the restrictions, okay? Slat one. Speech of plus. Slat one. Gear down. I don't think I should be doing it while I'm in a turn. But I don't care. Wow. Lag much. Flaps 2.
$2,500.
Checked. Okay. Just want to check the charts here real quick. Not the best time to do it, but I didn't care. So at 2.7. And flaps full speed check also.
Hi, Swanham. Yep, let's scout secure for landing. Feeling going fine.
I'll turn off the music. Shit, I am way too. Turn that off. I hope the sword works properly for this, because the jetways for me never show up. Well, I can never show up properly. And if they do, they usually just default jetways. So yeah. I don't even need this. Oh, I see now. So you have to keep that off.
1,000.
1,000 checked. Oh, I need to go to some pilot therapy thing. Damn, because I'm always just like way too aggressive with the plane.
100 above. 500 minimum.
Continue.
400.
Piss off! Get to thrust. Climb, climb, you dumbass. No! Don't you dare.
300.
Whatever. Yes, manual thrust.
200. 100.
I'm gonna snap it. Smash it.
50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 10.
Land. Oh no, this is gonna be hard. Oh wow, that was it. Not a good landing. Alright, touchdown, reverse screen, decel. Okay, 70, reversers off. Brakes off, little manual brakes, lateral, speed brakes retracted.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin crew will shortly be leaving to perform safety-related duties.
Let's just say I vacated a bit too late.
The fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off.
I don't think you should be vacating
Portable
it like
electronic devices for messages,
this exit.
calls, or internet access may now be used. Please make sure that you take all your personal belongings with you, checking in the seat pocket, underneath the seat, and
So
in
I
the
really didn't
overhead
plan
lockers.
a taxi
Do take
route
care of
for
opening the lockers in case anything falls out.
vacating
Smoking is
here,
not
but
permitted
I guess
if
I'll
using
just
a designated smoking
go
area.
towards
On
the
behalf of the captain and the crew, it has been our pleasure looking after you today. Our ground
yeah,
crew will help you complete your journey.
the jetway and the parking. Yeah. Alright, so let's do the after landing, whatever the hell you call it, checklist or memory items. Flap is open and start. Can set this to standard. Just reset the MCP for now. Never mind. I just got way too scared for no reason. Turn that off so it doesn't interfere with other aircraft. And I don't think I have to do anything else. I'll just turn that on. Oh my god, we got some more static aircraft. Anyway, that's our stand, so park over there. Gotta pause the chrono. Turn off the weather radar. So, okay, not that one, the one after. Oh, so it's one of these jetways where you have to park on the correct area, or else you can only use the what do you call it? The rear staircase. So now we can turn in towards the gate. Alright. Stop. Alright. Parking brakes are set. APU is on. Alright, 1, 2, off. Bit short and to the right. Oh, I guess it's not gonna work again. But whatever. Operate stairs. I don't know if that just crashed GSX or what. Operate stairs. Yeah, I think whatever. I'll just go without it. So beacon off. I'll connect the ground power now before I turn off the APU. So APU off. Ground control. Okay, so now just complete the flight in Blanter. End flight. Review my flight. What was my landing rate? It was 259 and negative 259. So it was alright. Surprisingly better than what I thought though. Screenshots. I'll just add a few. That. Whatever, cancel. And yeah, that's it basically. I'll shut down Volanta. So now just gonna shut down some other programs for now before I end the stream. I'm not gonna do the second flight because I don't know why, but my feet really hurt even though I'm sitting down. So now alright, so thank you guys for watching the stream. It's been fun, I guess, being back. Yeah, next stream, if I do not lose interest again and motivation, probably tomorrow. I don't know what flight, I still don't know what flight to do yet, but yeah. So, yeah, thank you for watching, and, good, bye. So, yes, I turning off camera now. Bye-bye!